Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix ChatGPT running slow or lagging after long conversations. Chrome, Firefox, and Safari speed fix. First method is clear browsing history. Second method is archive all chats. Click Settings. Click Data Controls. Click Archive All. Third method is delete all chats. Click Data Controls. Click Delete All under Delete All Chats. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.